Just a quick update of what's on the easel. I'm working in watercolor, and I've got this painting up here. It's something I did, oh gosh, 5, 6 years ago. And it's based on a scene, let me pan over here, from the basement of the Olson house, where Andrew Wyeth did a lot of work and painted Christina's World. The exterior of that is in Christina's World. And the Farnsworth Museum in Rockland owns that house and does some wonderful tours. And I was attracted to the basement actually because of this light over here in the corner casting a light on the floor. And there's another light coming in from the window. And I kind of adapted it. I did away with the stairs. I put that pole in there. I did not note the light coming from the window on the left, and I did it way, 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 way too dark. So what I did is I took a common household item called Mr. Eraser by Mr. Clean. This is not a commercial a commercial at all. This is just something that you can use to take your watercolor paint off your paper. And this is a 140-pound watercolor paper. It's pretty soft. Don't scrub it. Just it's enough to remove a lot of the color. What you're seeing is what's stained on here. And I'm going to build on this and work on it and see where it takes me. And I'm so sorry about the camera work, but I'm trying to balance about 3 things at one time. Thanks for watching.